Let's talk about the latest launched Realme smartphone P1 with Phoenix design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, with 6.67 inches Full HD Plus punch-hole display. Resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, approximately 92.65% screen-to-body ratio, 20:9 aspect ratio. Approximately 395 ppi pixel density, 1200 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with scratch-resistant glass protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with dual camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 27mm wide-angle camera, along with 2 megapixel 22mm depth camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel 24mm front camera. Video recording maximum 4K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Realme UI 5.0 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone's CPU is octa-core 2.6 GHz dual-core Cortex A78 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, paired with Mali G68MC4 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 6 GB, 8 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 6 GB, 8 GB of extended RAM, and 128 GB, 256 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB hybrid micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.95 by 75.45 by 7.97 millimeters, and it weighs around 188 grams, and the color options peacock green, phoenix red. Colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 45-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual-point Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5mm headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers, USB Type-C charging port, and with IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Realme P1 has been priced for 6 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 15,999 Indian rupees, and around $192, 53,999 Pakistani rupees. While the 8 GB plus 128 GB storage variant at 17,499 Indian rupees, and around $210, 58,999 Pakistani rupees. While the 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 18,999 Indian rupees, and around $228, 63,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this Realme P1 smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.